Oh shit. That was fucking really hard. Oh shit. I absolutely nuked that. My tire is getting flat. I might have popped it. Oh no. Yep, I might have fucked that up. It's getting low, but we'll make it up to the road. We actually broke a part of the bag, so when we get to our stop tonight, we're gonna have to fix that. But for right now, I just tied it back together, and it'll be sufficient for right now. I should probably drive a little slower on these roads, though.